Hey everyone, I'm just going to show you the template library and how to run a workflow. So the first thing you need to do is have your OpenAI API key in so you can use ChatGPT. So if you go back to the template library, you've got categories along the top here, and then the top rated templates are the ones made by the PromptChains team. You can also search for templates here. So to use one, all you have to do is click on it. You can see the information about the workflow here. So to run this workflow, we're going to give it a name. I've got back pain statistics in Australia. Country will be Australia. And you'll notice that this information tooltip shows up when you're focused on an input. You can click this and it'll give you more information about what content is expected in those inputs. And this is really important because whoever builds the workflows, they use certain types of content in that prompt. So they've trained it on those expected inputs. So you want to try and match it as close as possible. These ones are pretty generic, so let's just use back pain statistics in Australia and run workflow. So now this is in the completed runs, but the status is in progress. We can see what percent it is. There's actually a live mode here, so we can view it running in the flow builder. So you can see it's at the Google search stage. We can come back to it, go to completed runs here, and there's just a little bit more information in these sections here. While this is running, we can see the output that each module had. So once your workflow has completed, you can see the final output in the last module here, or the easier way is to go to completed runs. You can see it there and the content is here as well. So you can edit this content and save it, or copy it and paste it wherever you like. So another thing to note is if it's not a top rated template, you can actually edit the modules and customize it for your personal brand or organization. So how that would work is, let's look at this blog post outline. So you'd go to Flow Builder, Templates, and then let's type in blog. There it is. And you can drop it in and edit any of the modules. So we can see extract unique headings, write outline. So if we double click that, we can actually see the prompt that writes the headline, and you can tweak it for your organization. Another thing you can do is save your template. So once you've tweaked it, got it how you like, you can save it and it'll show up in your workflows here. And this means you can just click on it and reuse it as many times as you like. Lastly, to run it, you just go into live mode, fill out the form like before, hit run workflow, and it will run just like before. It will show up in your completed runs and you can see the output again. I hope this video really helped you understand the template library, how to run a workflow, how to edit a workflow, and where to find the completed output.